Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word harvester. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The farmer used a large harvester to reap the wheat from the fields. A harvester is a machine used in agriculture to cut and gather crops like wheat, corn, or barley efficiently and quickly from the fields. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.